Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Mi Router 4A, and today I'll show you an unboxing along with a overview or setup of this thing. So let's pop it out of the box. And in here we get basically almost nothing, so just a router, charging cable and paperwork. Now normally charger would be right over here, but I already took it out and plugged it in. I've been recording this a couple times, so I stopped bothering with actually unplugging it and putting it back in the box. And outside of the thing we only have paperwork here, so I just throw it to the side. So let's get the cable and actually plug it in right now. And obviously while we're at the back, you can see there's the plug for the electricity for it. Then in here we also get a reset button, so if something is functioning weirdly, just hold this for a bunch of seconds and it will reset. Then next to it is a blue coated plug, that's for the Ethernet. And then the two in the middle are two basically extended, so you would basically run them from here to your computer as an example. Now once that's plugged in, what you want to do is simply get your phone and go to the Play Store or App Store, whichever one you're using. And from here what you're looking for is the Mi Wi-Fi. And as you can see I already have it, but what you want to do is simply download it. I'll open it up, and from here, once it's open, select the Setup New Router. Turn on location services. Obviously routers nowadays need location for some reason, so we have to agree to that one for some reason. There we go, and let's do that again. And now it also needs Wi-Fi, which is the actual thing that it should normally need, not the location, but it's Xiaomi, so you never can use their app without location. So I have it disabled, that's why it's popping it up, so I'm just gonna check it on right here. Also, let's toggle off the mobile, close it, and let's try again. And it should find the router now. Yep, so as you can see, it already found it. Let's go to Setup Now, and in here, connect your phone's Wi-Fi to Xiaomi, which is basically this thing right here. So let's tap on OK. And it's automatically gonna set it to be my connection right over here. And from here we have a bunch of options. So we have router settings, wireless repeater mode, and wireless repeater mode for some reason. Twice? Oh, wired. Oh my bad. So if you want to change things like your password and just basic things, you just simply go to router settings right at the top. But if I tap on it, you can see that it tries to get to a network, but because I don't actually have Ethernet plugged in, it won't allow me to actually change the settings of it. Okay, I guess not sure why would you need Wi-Fi or a network to change the settings, but I'm already connected to it. But yeah, that's basically Xiaomi here. So apart from that, you can plug in and set up repeaters right here, and that's about all you can do from the app. And that's just a general setup, honestly, not much more needed. Also, if you choose to go through this way from the application on the phone, you won't need to put in any kind of password. Even though the router itself has a password on it, it will automatically connect to it as a first device, so you kind of get to skip that. But that being said, that's basically all the setup you get here, and from there it should work normally. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.